Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this really nice 2015 Isuzu NPR. It's a 12,000 GVW truck. But before we jump to that walk around, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put a new piece of equipment online, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from. We go through them, we check the cabs, bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes, engine, transmission, fluids, any discrepancies that are found. We run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC test drive, get them cleaned up, put online for our customers to take a look at. On top of that 150-point check, we have gone through and done the engine oil, oil filter, fuel air filters. This truck's got brand new rear brakes on it, and it's pre-qualified for that AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we get inside the truck, really nice, easy to get into being a low cab Ford truck. We've got the great upward visibility and the outward visibility. Being a cab over with the cab sitting on top of the tires, it also makes it a whole lot easier to maneuver. As we said, it's got the V8 gas engine in it, automatic transmission, easy to drive. We've got the AM/FM CD radio, cruise control, air conditioning. And in this particular truck, the driver can control the large and the spot mirrors from the cab, which is a really nice safety feature. And as you look at this truck, it is a 2015, but you can see it's very well taken care of, well maintained. Be a great truck for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real fast. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for well over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the truck. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks, they're pretty beat up, corner caps knocked out. This truck's in really good shape. It's got good rubber all the way around it. This truck can go dock to dock, ground to dock, or dock to ground with this really nice 2,500-pound tuckaway lift gate on the back of it. And for a smaller truck, the 2,500-pound lift gate is kind of a rare feature. Gate goes up like it should, meets up at the top. This is a 1885 tall, 96 wide van body. It's got the plywood interior. It's got one row of E-track. We can add more E-track to it if it needs be. It's got the hardwood scuff around the bottom of it. It's got a translucent roof in it, which is nice. You don't have to turn the dome light to still get a good view of your merchandise you're hauling around. It's got a dome light for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And the laminated hardwood floor still has a lot of life left in it. The lift gate goes down just as good as going up. Here at Industrial Power, a lot of our customers come in looking for delivery trucks, sometimes not knowing what they're looking for. A lot of them are looking for the big 26-foot bodies, but we also have the smaller 18, 14, 16-foot bodies available, as well as flatbeds. And even though this body is in really good shape, we can still wrap this body and the cab, if you'd like, with your name, graphic designs, phone number, turning that fuel money into advertising money while your guys driving down the road. Again, we've got a really nice 2015 Isuzu NPR 12,000 GVW truck, 18-foot van body on the back of it. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, go to our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time new trucks are put on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at them. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, give you a little more intimate walk around of just the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.